This is me, Saksham Agrawal, and I am here to discuss a topic with you, that is of chapter 1 of your class 9th. Okay, and chapter name is Matter in Our Surrounding. Okay, so our concern in this case is about matter. If we start discussing about matter, what is matter? First question arises, what is matter? So if when we start dividing universe, we have divided universe into two parts, broadly into two parts. Number one is matter and another one is energy. I think you are getting my point. Matter is anything that occupies space, कोई ना कोई सी जगह घेर लेता है, is called matter, and that doesn't occupy space is energy. That light कभी जगह नहीं घेरती. Okay, so our concern in this chapter is more about matter, not energy. Okay, it will be covered in physics. So matter, if we start discussing matter, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Okay, for example, chalk, board, marker. Okay, this is also a type of matter. This is matter. Okay, and anything that occupies space and has mass is known as matter. Okay, now about its property. This matter contains some property, like properties of matter. In this, first we have matters. All matter is made up of particles. Okay, कैसे particles? Small particles. All matter is made up of small particles. Second point is, अब ये particles होते कैसे हैं? So particles have some spaces between them. उन particles के बीच में कुछ थोड़ा बहुत space होता है. Third property we have particles of matter continuously moving. Yes, here is a big question. What is about this motion? Okay, motion is concerned in the chapter first of physics of class 9. But मैं आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पर एक एलिमेंट्री आइडिया दे रहा हूँ. मोशन बेटा तीन तरह के हो सकते हैं यहाँ पर. नंबर वन, ट्रांसलेटरी. सेकेंड, रोटेशनल. एंड थर्ड वन इज vibrational. Okay, let me explain you briefly. Translatory motion का मतलब क्या है? Motion in a line. Okay, this type motion, this kind of motion. Rotational motion about its own axis. Okay, motion about its own axis. What about vibrational? Vibrational motion is to and fro motion about its mean position. अपनी ही mean position के to and fro motion करना, that is vibrational motion. Okay, so translatory motion का example, gases में सबसे ज्यादा होता है, सबसे ज्यादा translatory motion होता है.